I'm assuming that's going to be graded or ungraded. Edit description. Let's see what kind of description it created for us. So it looks like it just took the title it created, 2020 Panini Prism dash number 94 Kyle Lewis RC, which stands for rookie card, and it just copied that into the description box. But let's say you wanted to add something extra, you could. So let's just say, I don't know, you want to say it's a Seattle card. You could do that. But I'm just going to leave it as is for now. Done with that. I'm just going to X out of this because I'm not keeping no changes. So that's the description. Custom label. So that'd be like your SKU number. Lolo Deals has over 700 active items for sale, so I do use a SKU system. It allows me to find the cards in my inventory very quickly to get that shipped out. If you'd like to know more about SKU systems or see what I do, maybe I'll make another video for that.